subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
If you head over the OnePlus Chinese site, you will see an invitation for the OnePlus 6 launch event. The occasion will take place on May 17th in Beijing at 10 AM local time. The product launch is open to the local press and fans like the OnePlus 5T launch was. The site mentioned that the ticket sale will open starting on April 27 at 10 AM for a cost of 99 yuan, which is about $15 per ticket. The tagline for the event is "The speed you need," which highlights the phone's Snapdragon 845 chipset and 8 gigs of RAM that we were expected to see. The other OnePlus 6 rumored specifications includes a 6.2-inch display with the notch, a 3450 mAh non-removable battery, and a 16 plus 20 megapixel dual rear camera setup. As of now, there is still no words on pricing or actual release date of the phone, but we will come to know soon during the time of event. Yesterday, the OnePlus teased that the 6 will have an honest design and were shown that it would feature a glass back. We hope that the phone would feature a water resistance. So, what do you guys think of the OnePlus 6 so far? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole Blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.